Hello, it's Terry from Terry's Teeny Tiny Room with another edition of What Has She Done Lately? It's been a while, but I have been a little busy. I finally put up my pegboard. It's the kind you get at Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever, and I had to paint it because it just wasn't the right color. But when you look at it, it doesn't really look like the colors change. Although you can see the side of it, so it's not that wood color anymore, it's white. And we put up my little shelf, all my little friends up there. You know, those nesting dolls. People usually bring me those back. A couple went to Russia, and I watched their children for them, so they brought me back a little prize. That was nice. Sorry, I shook the camera. The baskets, the wire ones, are from Joann's. Whenever Joann had a 60% off coupon, I knew one day I wanted to put a pegboard up. So I had been buying the baskets. And they're really nice. They hold a lot of stuff. The other ones are from, like the first one on the left-hand side, that is from, IKEA. And what's nice about that, let me move my chair out of the way, is the little hooks on the back of the wall. This has a little holder right there, and you just slide that right into the hook on the wall. Holds it great. The next one is just a little plastic bin. It had a lid that goes with it at the $1.25 tree. And that one up there also has another one of those little hooks on the back of it. That one I got through Amazon. I needed something that was a little bit wider that was going to hold more of the stickers that I have. This one down here is really nice. I think the plastic container was just off of Amazon, but the things that hold it on the wall I got at IKEA. Now, IKEA has their own special little pegboard type of system, and it doesn't fit the regular things from the pegboard, and the things from that pegboard don't fit a regular pegboard. But those things, because they are separate, they fit in there. And they're really nice because they're just clips, so it just clips on and holds the plastic container. So I have some place to stick all my little scraps. Oh, what else do I have? Oh, I have my snacks. You need to have snacks, right? Sometimes you just get hungry. And nuts are a good snack. I don't know if I had that on here the last time or not. I got those little white things that hold the pencils from $1.25 tree. But the thing about that is I glued them together so it doesn't come apart. And then I've been working on this, organizing. See how neat that looks? It's like, what's the aluminum foil for? It's for cleaning the needle on the Cricut. Sometimes it gets plugged and you just need to clean it off so it'll be sharp again. Well, it's not a needle, is it? It's like a little tiny knife. Bought some more inks. And yeah, I still have some stickers left inside of that drawer. But that's okay. I've been working on my own stencil. I wanted to make some balloons to put on this layout on the top up there. And so I've been practicing. It's hard work to try and get the balloons to look good. So I made that little balloon thing and started coloring them in. People on YouTube They make it look so easy. Oh, here, look at this layout. And I did the stencil, and I'm like, no, not so easy. But my take on that is that those people, it probably took them 2 or 3 times before they finally got that layout just right. So, no, I don't think it's a one-time deal and they're just putting it together while you watch. I think they've already practiced. And that little red thing back there on the wall is a good luck something. My older sister, her and her husband went to China, walked on the Great Wall and everything. She brought those back. So they're supposed to be good luck. Well, it's my favorite color, red, so it can't be unlucky, can it? I've also been learning how to use mixed media. These have some paintbrushes, and not paintbrushes. It's markers, pencils, whatever you want to call them. And you put some water on one of my craft mats down there. And then you just kind of like write in the water with it, and it makes it like paint. And then you can use it for painting on things. Thought, maybe I'll try that on there, on my stencils. I did buy some stencils. This one right here, stars. I don't have anywhere to put it yet. And of course, if you're going to buy stars, and you need to have the little blending brushes to go with them. Something that I've learned. Okay, so I started with creative memories. That's what I knew. That's what I stuck with. But boy, there is a whole world out there of all kinds of scrap papers. I've recently discovered scrapbook.com, and they carry all different kinds. Echo Park, and I don't even remember what else they have, but it's a lot. So somebody had asked me recently, what do I keep my papers in? Most of my papers are just in these little folders that I get from Amazon. They have different amounts that you can get. I think there's a 12-pack, a 34-pack. It's more economical to get the 34-pack than it is the 12-pack. And believe me, eventually you're going to use them. I'm on my second 34-pack, so you do use them. And the rest are right here. Oh, here's what they're called. Kado. That's what they're called. Kado. Scrapbook Paper Storage Organization. And I just keep them right here. So that whenever I get new paper, hey, just pull those out and put them in. So all of these in the front here are my creative memories. And then I also have a couple things from Stampin' Up. I did like their paper, so I'm like, okay, I'll try it. This one I thought was cute. I have some fall layouts or something. And this one I really liked. Camping. Not that I camp a lot. We did when our children were younger. We have some camping pictures. And there's another thing that goes with it. Well, I guess it's these colors. They go with it. Does it say? Maybe. Then I bought these. Those are just Hobby Lobby. What else? And then these are all from scrapbooks.com. They have all kinds of nice ones in there. Something that I've learned, though, about scrapbook.com, there's different levels of cardstock. Creative Memories, their cardstock is, I think they said it's 80 pound. And, I mean, it's decent. I like the ones from Hobby Lobby. They're a lot lighter. They might be 65 pound. And then you have the ones from Stampin' Up. Theirs are thicker. I don't know what those are, but they feel thicker than the ones from Creative Memories. And the paper from Echo Park and them, their papers are thicker also than Creative Memories. So I'm thinking I might not be able to use just a tape runner to get them down. I'm probably going to have to use glue to glue them on the pages. But we'll see. This one isn't Echo Park. This is somebody else. I don't know who it is, but it was cute. Little girl papers. Oh yeah, those are thinner too. I have 4 granddaughters and 1 grandson, but I have 1 daughter and 2 sons. So that's a lot of scrapbooks to do, and I'm just barely getting started. But I do have a lot of albums to put them in. Some of those are new, some of those have already been started. My calyx, and top is Michael's Simply Tidy Box 7. Oh, and there are the hooks that go on the pegboard. Those were from Amazon. And then I got a new calyx. I don't think I'm going to end up putting another Simply Tidy on top. I think it would just look too cluttery, and it would disturb my pictures on the wall. So I don't want to do that. I think I have enough space over here to continue on. I mean, if worse comes to worse, you know, I can move things around again, put paper down on the shelves of the calyx. We'll see. Still have my grandmother's Martha Washington sewing cabinet. Oh, another thing we have is this little tiny RV out there. It's a Class B. And that's my other second Terry's Teeny Tiny Room. We do like to travel. I will be working on some scrapbooks that are traveling. We recently went to Colorado to a cousin's celebration of life. And then we went to Utah to the Arches. Ugh. Don't go there in summertime. Let me just say that. It's hot. Or unless you want to get up early and go. What else do we have going on here? Not much. Haven't done anything with the floor yet. Still got to save up some money for that. Other than that, not much. I love how my baskets hold everything in there. All my Cricut supplies. Well, tools, I guess you'd call. But that's all I think I have for today. So I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my remodeling. Well, it's not really remodeling. My organization of my craft room / laundry room. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.